My hair's a mess.
What up though?
We're on our way now. Well, we're gonna go to IKEA now. Because even though we got our furniture, and we're pretty much done with furniture. Actually, Chris wants to find a little corner desk to put in the foyer for him.
Yes.
And we still need just little things like curtains. Our room doesn't have any curtains, and at first we were like, oh, it's fine. But now, like when we try to sleep in, it's way too bright.
I should start training again though, because I'm getting out of shape.
I think I'm gonna try a class around here again.
That would be another vlog. Chris getting in shape.
Oh really? Wow,
Floyd.
that could be another, yeah, a little segment. Chris gets in shape.
No,
you are in shape though. You act like you're not.
I lost a couple of pounds. I slacked a little bit, not gonna lie. I've been slacking.
I haven't really been, because I think I need to find a class. I tried to do home workouts and I just get so unmotivated. Oh, you got blue. I just get so unmotivated. And also because I work from home, I want to do a workout somewhere outside of the house just to get me outside of the house, because if not, I like will barely leave the house and I need to get out. Been walking around IKEA and I totally forgot to show you guys the desk that Chris is thinking about getting.
Thinking about it.
He's not like me. Like, he takes his time thinking about it. When I want something, I get it, because what is there to think about if you know you want it? So yesterday, guys, I spent the entire night cleaning. I swear to God, if this apartment turns into a mess again, I'm going to lose it. I cleaned hard. Does this happen to you guys? Like, I feel like I clean every day and every day it just turns upside down, but I'm determined to keep it looking good, because my God, I was so exhausted that I knocked out. It was like the best sleep ever. That's how hard I cleaned. But let me show you guys my beauty room, because if you saw in the last few vlogs, it was a disaster in there. Like, I could barely walk, and whenever it gets like that, I don't feel like filming because I hate mess. Wait till you guys see this. Look at this. You can walk. We can walk. There's a path. All of this was covered in boxes. These are Christmas gifts that I have to wrap, so those are gonna stay there. We're probably gonna wrap them later today. But look at this, look at my filming station. It's just waiting there, ready for me to film. I have to wash these makeup brushes today so that I can do my makeup tomorrow. But look, oh my God. Just waiting for me to film. My perfumes are over here for now, because normally they go over there. But you know, the holidays, so we have a little Christmas tree thing happening. This is where I do my makeup on non-filming days. Oh my God, this makes me so happy, you guys. So happy. Chris and I are gonna hang the big mirror up here later today when he gets back from work. And then, oh, we ended up getting curtains at IKEA. I wanna show you which ones we got. And the curtains are going to go in our bedroom. But let me show you guys the curtains that we got. Basically, okay, when we purchased our curtains for the living room, those are also from IKEA, and they're so amazing. They're like only $30. and they're so amazing. They're great quality, and I feel like they're thick enough where they cover the light, but they don't make the room like super dark, because that's what we wanted. Like, we want to be able to cover the light when we want to sleep in, but we don't want it to be super dark, because then like we're never gonna get up. These curtains, I forgot the exact ones, but they're kind of like this super light gray color, which is so pretty. And then for the bedroom, I'll show you guys the style that we got. Yeah, oh my god, there's this large mirror at IKEA that I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go back and get this week, because every time I go it's out of stock, and it was back in stock. And Chris is like, you know, you should go back home and see where you want to put it first. But I made up my mind, I want to go get it. So these are the curtains that we got. This is the style Marite, whatever it's called. It does bring two, and for this one set it's $30, and it's like this really pretty beige color. It has the same thickness as the living room curtains, and we just wanted a neutral color. And then we got these sheer ones, which are called the Lil, and they also bring two. These are the Lil, so they're just like a sheer little curtain, but I kind of like how the sheer curtains are in between, because sometimes we'll just close this. Every time I have to go somewhere, I delay it and just start doing a million other things. And then I wonder why I'm always late. I haven't worn my favorite hat in so long. Oh my god, I love this hat. I got this hat last winter at Topshop. Do you guys see those boxes right there? Those are the giveaway mystery boxes that I'm going to be shipping out. I emailed everyone last night, the 3 winners, and so far only one of you has claimed the prize. One of the boxes, only one of you has claimed them. But I'm just going to keep the boxes in my car throughout the day, because I have some errands to run. That way, maybe throughout the day, the other 2 will claim the boxes, and I don't gotta come back and get them, because it was kind of heavy to bring them downstairs. So earlier today, I got Max a little gift, and I'm gonna give it to him now. But I'm gonna show you guys what it is first. If he sees it, sorry, I'm in my closet. If he sees it, he already knows something's up. Look at how cute this little dog toy is. Feliz Navidad. I'm gonna cut the tags off, and then you can get your new toy. You want your toy? Come here. Sit. Down. Okay. Here. Oh my god, it's so late. It's my little baby. I've barely been vlogging these past 2 days, and I apologize for that. I've just been trying to get this place ready. First of all, I was trying to get it ready for like all the new furniture that we were getting, which go watch the vlog before this one, because we got our new stuff in and it looks so beautiful. And then I've literally just been cleaning like a mad woman, because we are getting a roommate, and our roommate arrives tomorrow. I'm so excited for you guys to see who it is, and I've just been trying to get the place ready for our new roomie. Trying to clean, trying to do as much as I can. So the vlogging has been sacrificed, but as soon as our roommate arrives tomorrow, we can get back to vlogging, back on track. He's bringing me his new toy. Oh, do you want mom to play with you? Okay, so it's now time for holiday tea. And someone asked, how do you deal with criticism on YouTube? I feel like I've started to get more criticism lately on YouTube, and it has been harder to deal with it, because when you put yourself out online, people make a lot of assumptions, and they automatically think they know everything about you. They know who you are. They know the kind of person you are. And as much as you want to defend yourself, you really can't, because for the most part, people have their minds made up of who you are as a person. And it's really hard to deal, I'm not gonna lie, it is really hard to deal with the criticism about you as a person, but also about your physical features. Like, people tear me up every single day. Every single day. And I think I have a nice balance of my positive digital fam that's been here, and the new ones that are joining that are so good to me and keep me positive and keep my mood lifted. But yeah, I don't know, it has been really difficult, and I've had moments this past like maybe like 6 months that I've thought about like, okay, do I want to do YouTube anymore? Just because, my God, like people are insane online. Like people have no filter online anymore, and it just becomes a lot, and the criticism makes me become an even more private person, and sometimes it stops me from sharing what I want to share, which I don't want, because that's the whole point of my channel, is to be open and to share certain things. But I don't know, sometimes when I get overwhelmed, I just take a break. Like I'll take social media breaks, and I've been trying to include more sit-down videos as opposed to strictly vlogs, because I feel like that's a nice break for me as well, like mentally. Instead of like sharing every aspect of my life, I'm also sharing just things that I still love, like tips and beauty and style, through my sit-down videos, but that I don't necessarily have to be vlogging every single day, because I don't know how people that do daily vlogs do it, because it is tough. But yeah, I think for me it's a balance of taking social media breaks, and I don't take long breaks because it is my job. Sometimes I'll take like a day or just like a few hours where I'm not on social media or I'm not posting, and also a balance of the types of videos that I do, like vlogs as well as sit down videos. But yeah, that's kind of how I deal with it, and I feel like just having other things, working out is always helpful, and reading always takes my mind off things, just like getting into another story and forgetting about the rest of the world. Yeah, that's pretty much how I've been coping with criticism lately. Oh my gosh, you're such an aggressive papa. But yeah, it comes with the territory, and it sucks, and I wish things would get better. But unfortunately, there's a lot of miserable people that want to bring you down with them. That's what I try to remember also. It's like the people that have the balls to write certain comments, I kind of feel bad for them, because I'm like, damn, how bad is your life right now that you have to come and tear another person down? Because the things that people say online, they would never be brave enough to say them to your face. I'm gonna end this vlog here. I think this is a shorter vlog, but yeah, there's not much else going on. I am going to shower and get ready for bed. Give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to meet our new roommate, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.